Okay, differentiation from first principles of a function of, let's say, a function of x. This one is usually given by f prime of x equals to the function of x plus change in x, and then subtract f of x, everything divided by change in x. And this one is you take the limit when change in x approaches 0 or becomes very small. Okay, let's give an example. If y is equals to let's say 2x raised to 2, under normal circumstances, dy dx is usually you take this power multiplied by the coefficient, so you shall have 2 multiplied by 2, and then x you reduce the power by 1, and that gives you 4x. So the differential coefficient of 2x squared gives you a value of 4x. Now from first principles, differentiating this, we shall have change in y over change in x. Remember, we shall be dividing everything by change in x as the limit where change in x approaches 0, but we shall plug in that value later on. So let's proceed on. Yeah, now the f of x plus change in x here, if you apply that one here, what we shall have is 2 into x plus change in x squared, and then this one is subtracted f of x, and in our case here f of x is y here, which is 2x squared. This was our f of x, the function of x, and this one is divided by change in x. Okay, now since x plus change in x is squared, it means this one is equals to 2 x plus change in x times x plus change in x. This one subtract 2x squared, everything over change in x, and of course change in y over change in x. Now let's multiply these two. By these two, we shall have x squared plus x change in x added to x change in x, and then finally you add to change in x squared, and without forgetting we are multiplying by 2. We are subtracting 2 on this side, and everything is over change in x, and this one is change in y over change in x. Let's open the bracket. In the bracket we shall have change in y over change in x equals 2x squared. This one, these two, when you add these two, you shall get 2x change in x. So, and this one multiplied by 2, you shall get plus 4x change in x, and then plus 2 multiplied by change in x squared, that is 2 change in x squared, subtract 2x squared, everything divided by change in x. Let's proceed. We shall collect like terms. We have 2x squared and then minus 2x squared, so this one cancels out. What is left is 4x change in x plus 2 change in x squared over change in x. All right, now when you have this kind of problem here, you can separate the two in this manner, whereby you shall have 4x change in x over change in x add to 2 change in x squared over change in x, and of course this one is change in y over change in x. Now simplifying further, this one cancels out, this one goes here 1 and here change in x, so that what we shall have is change in y over change in x equals to 4x added to change in x. Now I said earlier on that we shall take the limit change in x when change in x approaches 0, so the limit where change in x approaches 0, when we plug in that one, we shall have change in y over change in x equals to 4x, because here we shall be adding 2 times 0, and 2 times 0 is a 0, from which the value shall remain 4x. Now you can see that the two values here, 4x equals to the same value that we got earlier on. Stay tuned for more examples and differentiation from first principles. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.